Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll demonstrate how to set up the IC-Agribun soil temperature and moisture recorder. To start, and if you haven't already, you'll need to create an account at loggermaster.com. Once created, log into your account. The opening page will look like this. Here we can see the device type menu. We are on temperature. You can claim this unit and set up a new device. Search for claimed devices. Go to your profile and log out. And below is where the sensor and sensor information will appear once connected. To get connected, press the plus key to add or claim your new device. Here, you'll need to enter the device's serial number and DUID. This can be found on the base of the sensor head. Once entered, click Add. The device will appear on the device list. Next, the Agribun needs to be connected to your Wi-Fi network. This can be done on a mobile phone or a PC, whichever is easier. Hold the included magnet on the top of the unit. It will emit a short beep once on the first connection. Then, after around 3 seconds, there will be a long beep. After the long beep, connect your phone or computer to the Wi-Fi created by the Agribun. This will simply be called Bun. Ignore the no internet access warning. Depending on how you're setting up, either a browser will pop up or a sign-in notification request will appear. Click the sign-in notification if this appears. If nothing automatically opens or there is no sign-in request, simply type the following into your browser. You should see this page. Read the note on step 1, then click Next. On step 2, find your Wi-Fi name and click Connect. Step 3, enter your Wi-Fi password and click Connect. The browser will close. Wait as your device connects. When the connection is successful, you will hear 4 short beeps. If you hear 2 long beeps, the connection has failed. Sign back into the Bun Wi-Fi and retry your password. The logger is now connected. We can see our first moisture and temperature readings have started to appear. Clicking on the logger now displays extra options in the function bar. These are Edit. Here you can adjust the device attributes such as the name, when to post alarms between immediately or if persisting over an hour, turn the status on/off as well as turn the alarm upload on or off, set minimum and maximum alarm thresholds, as well as select the reading display between Celsius and Fahrenheit, set the minimum and maximum moisture alarm thresholds, list the installation location and add any comments. Under intervals, you can set the recording and synchronization intervals. The synchronization intervals are color-coded in regards to battery life. And lastly, under the Edit tab, you can share access to the logger information. As we've only just set this logger up, there isn't much information to see for the next 3 tabs, but under Graph you will find your recording information from the sensor. Select the graph view between the last 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days or 12 months. Next is Details. View the day, date, time, measured temperature and moisture and error status for each reading. And Reports. Here you can view, share or create reports. The last thing to do is install the sensor. Press the probe into the soil to be measured. No part of the sensor probes should be above the ground. The sensor head should sit completely flush with the soil. And that's how straightforward it is to set up and get monitoring soil temperature and moisture wirelessly using the Agribun. Want more information on the Agribun? Speak with an Instrument Choice scientist. Contact details and more information can be found in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!